Breaking news now coming in involving Mamata Banerjee's government and the Enforcement Directorate. So the news coming in, the Calcutta High Court has dismissed the ED and TMC pleas that there's no evidence of searches on January 8th. The High Court has said the ED plea before the Supreme Court, and Panchanamas note that no TMC data has been taken. So that is the big breaking news coming in on what the Calcutta High Court has said, dismissing the Trinamool Congress's pleas. Remember, this is regarding the 8th of January searches that took place at the office I remember with Mamata Banerjee claiming that a lot of the documents concerning the Trinamool Congress were taken away from the IPAC office that was raided by the Enforcement Directorate. Let's go across to Shreyashi now for more on this story. And Shreyashi, setback to the Mamata Banerjee government with this plea being dismissed. Take us through the details of what's taken place in the High Court.
Well, everyone was holding their breath for the orders to be passed by the Calcutta High Court. There was a high voltage hearing between ASG SV Raju, who joined virtually on behalf of the ED, and Menaka Guruswamy, who also joined virtually on behalf of Trinamool Congress. But after the High Court heard both the sides, it went on to say, the judge, a single bench judge of Justice Shubhra Ghosh, went on to say that while the first petition in which Trinamool Congress has sought that all its political data that has been seized by the ED be safeguarded and not be circulated and be protected, because that contains, high secretive details about not just the SIR campaign but also their political strategy. But the ED stated in the court that they have not managed to seize any documents or electronic devices during their search operations in both the IPAC and its director's residence. And on the other hand, the court dismissed the ED's petition, saying that since the matter is pending before the Supreme Court, now the Supreme Court will hear next week whether a CBI investigation is required to check on whether the Chief Minister interfered with the ED investigation on January 8th here in Kolkata. Back to you.